We've all heard about face serums and the amazing things that they can do for your skin. So we're here to help you understand what they are and show you how to make them to target every skincare concern. Leave your skin type in the comments below to receive a list of our favorite skin serums that are customized for your skin type. Serums are a lightweight mixture of concentrated ingredients that should be applied to your skin once a day to help fix skin issues. Some serums are water-based and should be applied before your moisturizer, while others are oil-based and should be applied after your moisturizer. Although the raw ingredients for these serums are expensive, you can make many mixtures out of them and they should last you several years. Mix 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil with 5 drops of rose essential oil and 5 drops of lavender essential oil. The sweet almond oil is incredibly rich in vitamin E, which nourishes and prevents premature aging, and the rose oil hydrates dry skin, while lavender soothes irritated skin. Mix together 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil with 3 drops of tea tree oil, 5 drops of lavender oil, and 3 drops of lemongrass oil. Jojoba oil is extremely mild and is similar to the natural oil in our skin. Tea tree oil has acne-fighting properties, and lavender will soothe inflammation and irritation, and the lemongrass is an antibacterial. Mix together 2 tablespoons of argan oil, 5 drops of carrot oil, 3 drops of lemon oil, and 3 drops of rose oil. The argan oil is incredibly nourishing and will bring life back to your skin, while the carrot oil will repair damaged skin. The lemon oil will brighten and reduce pigmentation, and the rose oil will hydrate your skin. Combine 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly with 2 to 3 drops of vitamin E oil. The mineral oils and petroleum jelly will hydrate your lashes and make them plumper from root to tip. The vitamin E oil will hydrate them and help them grow as well. Mix 1 teaspoon of green tea with 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Green tea has natural antioxidant properties that will promote growth, while aloe vera is an antifungal that also helps your lashes and hair grow longer. Store these serums for 6 to 8 months in dark colored bottles, as over time sunlight can make your mixture less effective. We hope this video helps you better understand what serums are and how you can customize your own right from your home. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.